Okay, now that we're done in 3ds Max, we finished up modeling, saved the file, and then we exported it using Blitzkrieg into a JMS file, and we just overwrote the splinter file that we had before. We're going to go into Tool and build the structure. In this case, we do not need to rebuild the bitmaps because we didn't add any new ones, and they should all be in our tag directory already. So we actually just need to build the structure to this level. So we're going to go to Tool and type Structure, and then tell it where to go. And just let it work here for a second. And it's going to build everything. If you come up with some errors about open faces or open triangles, you're going to have to go back into the level and run STL check. You can go under the modifier stack you're going to have to run it on both your tunnel, you're going to have to run it on the bases, and you're going to have to run it on the sky level to look at each one of those. Now you're going to have open edges wherever the base and the skybox meet, wherever the tunnel and the skybox meets. That's going to be an open edge because we did detach them, so those you don't have to worry about so much. If any of the other edges come up as highlighted, you may want to delete those faces and create new polygons wherever those edges are. If you have a ridiculous amount, if you have 600, 700, 800 edges and you're not that far along in the level, my recommendation would be to just go ahead and go start over and be a little bit more careful when you're creating the level. In this case, we didn't have any errors, so we're good to close down Tool here. And we do not need to go in Gorilla because we have actually already set up the skybox. It was set up prior to this, so now we're just going to be going into Sapien and lighting up our level.